Hello everyone, this is Kristina from Kristina's Art Corner. Welcome or welcome back, whichever applies. Today I have a haul. Here's my little flamingo, if you have not seen it. I love doing these little birds in this small size. It's lots of fun. So let's get into today's video. Yes, I got it. Yay! Enchanted Earth by Melpomene Chatsapangiatou. So excited for this book. I love this page. Enter an enchanted world. Oh, isn't that a beautiful page with all the butterflies and the trees? Gorgeous images. We have some ram horns with flowers. A neat little map. A bathtub overflowing with ocean life. That's really cool. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I had pre-ordered this back a couple of months ago. I'm so excited to receive it. Oh, look at those mushrooms if you're into mushrooms. Beautiful candles. That'll be fun to color. Like the paper, it's a kind of a shiny paper, not too much tooth, but I think it will be all right. I don't think I would put heavy water on it, but ink tints with a small amount of water would work, or Albrecht Dürer. Another painting page. I always say whenever I do these hauls that when there's a painting page, I want to do it first. We have a big eyeball. That's really cool. So yeah, this is Enchanted Earth. And I love all of the shiny sequined lettering. It's beautiful. I finally got my hands on MouseGuard. I did have to pay a pretty penny for this one. I got it through Etsy if you're interested. Paper is nice in this book. Look at that. A nice double page spread. I've seen some colorists do this one recently and it turned out gorgeous. Beautiful stained glass. I love this mouse. This one's very pretty. I'm going to try several different mediums in this book. I'm not sure if I'll theme it with certain colors or what I'll do yet. Have to think about it. Oh, that's a cool page. So yes, this is the infamous MouseGuard, and I've been wanting it for so long. It's so hard to get a hold of. I did wind up getting a decent deal, but more than I would usually pay for a book, but I've been wanting it for so long. Gorgeous. Look at that owl. Will be so pretty to color. I love this one. So yeah, MouseGuard by David Peterson. And then I got Imaginaria in the Wild by Simon Mendez. And here I'm just going to show you a little closer. We have animals within the animals. Really cool pages. It's a lighter line art and slight grayscale on some of it. Look at this elephant. Beautiful. And all of the pages are like that. Look at this bird with all the other birds inside. I think this is going to be really cool and different color. I just colored a chameleon, and that one will be fun to do. That one's neat. Look at that. Got some bugaboos, some owls. I like that it has this border too. Probably stick some washi tape around there and do some interesting backgrounds. Hopefully. One-sided pages, which is nice. There's another bird. Oh, look how cute this one is. Lovely. And a moth, an owl, a lion. So yeah, that's Imaginaria in the Wild by Simon Mendez. And I got the Peter Pan book by Fabiana Attanasio. And it has the removable poster, which intrigues me to maybe put on the wall in my house and maybe let my grandchildren help fill it in. I think that would be a fun thing to do. We have the inside cover with stars. This was published in 2016. I was able to find this on Amazon, by the way. All the books I'll make sure to put links in. I have been to London and seen Big Ben and the London Bridge. It's really cool. So is this. I like this clock photo. That one's very nice. Love this. That's really cool. Yeah, I'd seen a couple of flip throughs of this on YouTube and was excited to get it. Oh, there's a good one of Big Ben. That would be fun. Hook. Nice double page spreads. Oh, look at that. That one's cool. That one's cute. Oh dear. So sad. I love that they have all the characters in here. Oh, that's really neat. It's very good paper too. So I like that for sure. That's a neat page. So yeah, that's Peter Pan by Fabiano Attanasio. I got was this case also from Amazon, And this is housing my Black Widow collection, and I'll just show you. I have them in color family order, so I don't even really need to look at the chart. They're just all in order. I am missing two. They must have fallen somewhere in, sometimes I color in bed. It might be hiding there, or maybe fell under. This one's the other one. But yeah, I love these cases. I like the single bands. They hold the pencils well. And that's all of my Black Widow collection. I also wound up getting this Fixative Pastels, Oil Pastels by Sennelier, and have used it. And make sure if you do get this that you do use it on oil pastels, because it will not work on chalky pastels. It will smear and do not so nice things. I purchased these RGB LED strip lights that are Bluetooth connected. It's 65 feet of strip lights, and I have hooked them up to my back wall shelving, and I'm going to insert a clip so that you can see the lights. Hope that will be fun for you to see. I did some reorganization over the weekend yesterday and feeling a little better about my space. Whenever I do YouTube videos or I'm coloring, it gets messy, and so this was a nice break from that. It's hard to get it all in. I'm backed up against the back wall. That's all of my reorganization. I guess since I'm at it, I could go ahead and show you. I have this here where my laptop, that's temporary, and this is something that I painted and usually have a plant on top of there, and I'm getting ready to clean that out in order to fit more supplies. And then here are all my drawers of things, my printer, my refrigerator. I still have some things to clean up. And here's my desk and my filming setup. And I just filled those marker cases. I have my brushes and the Stabilo highlighters and my F-Matte sharpener, my easel over there, and tripod. There's some paintings over on the wall that I did. So yeah, that gives you a little spinaroo. That's a painting that I did a while back. There's a bunch of gemstones on there. I've shown it before, but in case you haven't seen that video where I showed it. But yeah, there's my new setup. What do you think? It's nice to get to that organized point if it can stay that way, so we'll see how long it does. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment any of the things that you have seen. Do you like any of these books? Do you have any of these books? Do you want any of these books? And I'll be sure to link everything down below, and I hope you all have a great Easter weekend, and you all take care. Happy coloring. Bye-bye.